Hey, quick question. Are you sleeping okay lately? Like, really sleeping? Or are you doing that thing where you look asleep, but your brain's running a full marathon all night? Yeah, been there. Way too many nights lying in bed, scrolling through the same 3 apps, overthinking literally everything. But I finally found something that actually helped me shut it all down. It's called U-Sleep, and if you've been struggling to get good, solid rest, stick around because I think this might be a little life changer for you too. And before we jump in, let me just say this right now. U-Sleep is only available on the official website. Please don't buy it from Amazon or any sketchy third-party sites. I've seen knockoffs being sold, and they're just not the real deal. I'll leave the official link down below so you know exactly where to get it. All right, okay, so what is U-Sleep exactly? Well, it's a liquid sleep support formula. And I know, another supplement, right? But trust me, this one hits different. It's designed to help you fall asleep naturally, stay asleep through the night, and wake up without that groggy, can't even open my eyes feeling. You know the one I'm talking about. The first night I tried it, I felt this wave of calm about 20 to 30 minutes after taking it. No heavy, drugged feeling, just like my brain was finally cool with turning off for the night. And honestly, that's the win I've been looking for. Want to know what's inside? Let me break it down because the ingredients are legit. Tart cherry extract, a natural source of melatonin but not too overpowering. 5-HTP helps boost serotonin so you'll actually feel more relaxed and happier. L-theanine, amazing if your brain is always on, like mine, helps you chill. GABA, this is the one that tells your nervous system, hey, it's bedtime, calm down already. Plus a little bit of melatonin and some B vitamins to support your overall brain and mood health. Altogether, it's like this dream team of natural ingredients working in sync to gently get you into that sweet, restful sleep zone. Now, let me ask, do you wake up in the middle of the night, like 3 a.m., wide awake, staring at the ceiling? Because that used to be me. And this is one of the biggest changes I noticed with U-Sleep. I sleep through the night. And if I do wake up, I fall right back asleep. No 2-hour brain spirals. Also, I gotta say, I feel way more alert in the morning. I'm not hitting snooze 5 times, dragging through the day, or guzzling coffee like a zombie. If you're someone who wants to sleep better but also wake up ready to crush your day, this is for you. Let's talk price real quick. A single bottle is $69. The 3-bottle pack drops to $59 each, and the best deal, the 6-bottle bundle at just $39 each. Honestly, if you're serious about fixing your sleep long-term, that's the one I recommend. Oh, and the extras. You actually get 2 free digital bonuses when you order from the official site. A wind-down guide to help you relax before bed, and a guide on boosting your natural energy while you sleep. Kinda cool, right? Final thoughts. If your sleep has been all over the place or you just want to feel better, think clearer, and actually wake up refreshed, U-Sleep is seriously worth a try. Just remember, official website only. That's the safe spot to get the real formula and the bonuses. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I love chatting with you guys. And if you've tried U-Sleep, tell me your experience. Let's help each other out. Don't forget to hit like if this helped and subscribe for more real talk reviews. Sleep tight tonight.